Hi team, so good morning everyone. So coming to the previous class, what I had been, anyone can you please give the preview of the yesterday class? Harshala, Venkat, Kavya, Maheshwari, anyone? What we had been discussed in yesterday's class? Anyone? Anyone can you please give
Uh,
me the preview?
we were discussing about the accounts, fields, contacts, and how
Okay,
are we using them, and what is the implementation. Then creating profiles, how will it all work, and all.
okay. I discussed about how to create an application. Okay, everyone able to I created American recruitment consultancy application in yesterday's class. Okay, American Recruitment Consultancy. This particular application, which had been created in yesterday's class, just accounts, contacts, opportunity cases, leave management. Just normally, leave management is not needed. Accounts, contacts, opportunity, and cases. I kept this particular information. That's it. In yesterday class, I discussed how to create an application. And there are two types of applications: standard applications and custom applications. Why other people also not joined? Let's 1 minute. Let's 1 minute. Okay, the people are joined. That's when I called. Okay, Romney, Swati, good morning, everyone. So, coming to the previous class, I discussed about how to create an application. Romney, Swati, and everyone created the application. Everyone inside the Salesforce org, everyone created the application.
Hi Venkat. I couldn't do it
Hi.
because traveling, so I'll do it today, Venkat.
Okay, you can do it today. Okay, fine. I
Yeah.
think we have Saturday and Sunday. Now you can do it, everyone. Okay, how to create an application. Okay, after creating an application, inside an application based on the client requirement. Okay, based on the client requirement, we need to create an objects. Okay, based on the client requirement, we need to create an objects. Okay, we need to create an objects. Mainly objects are divided into two types. Okay, what is an object? Okay, objects. Okay, objects are divided into two types. Okay, standard objects and custom objects. Standard objects and custom objects. Standard object by default given by Salesforce, and custom objects you can create yourself based on the customer requirement. Okay, so what is the difference between the standard object and custom object? So for example, if we created hiring manager custom object, okay, it will be ended with underscore c. Okay, it will be ended with underscore c. For example, if it's a standard object, there is no underscore c at the end. Okay, for example, if you open HDFC Bank. For example, if you open HDFC Bank, in the HDFC Bank, there are different types of objects are presented. Okay, you can observe pay, save, invest, borrow, insure, shop. These are the different types of custom objects which have been given by Salesforce. Custom object they are created because HDFC Bank is also created using Salesforce only. Okay, HDFC Bank is also created using Salesforce. For us, we are creating a hiring manager object, position object, and also we are creating like a candidate object, employee object. Okay, employee website. These are the customer demographic object to store the candidate information. These are the different types of objects we are going to store. Okay, after creating an object, we need to create a tab. For each and every object, we need to create a tab. Okay.
Venkat,
But
underscore C means it is customized object, is it?
yes. If it's a standard object, means it's not ended with underscore c. Okay. Tab helps user to view the information. Okay, tab helps user to view the information at a glance. Okay, it makes
Hello?
like yes, yes, of course, please.
Yeah, Venkat, what if this object is already existing in the Salesforce by inbuilt, like by
Okay,
default, if it is already existing means
if it is
we
a by default, if it
do
is
we use
existing,
the existing one?
yes, we'll use existing one. Previously, we have existing one. Okay, for our American recruitment consultancy. Okay, for our American recruitment consultancy, we have different types of existing objects. Okay, these are the different types of existing objects: accounts, contacts, opportunity cases. So we had been using these particular objects. No need to, for example, if you need to add any extra fields based on the client requirement, we can add it. That's it. Okay.
That means for different applications, we'll be able to use the same objects across all the applications, right?
Yes,
If it
yes,
is an
yes.
inbuilt object.
Yes,
Okay.
inbuilt object, we can use it. We can use it same. We don't need to create again. Okay. We don't need to create again. We can use the same thing. Okay. Now let's see how to create an object. How to create an object. Okay. So the people, like I'll supply all this information to the drive. Okay. All this information to the drive. Okay. I'll supply all this information to the drive, then you can easily access it. Hi Prashant. So we are explaining about the object information. Hemant, Prashant. Okay,
Hi,
previously
Venkat.
we hi
Sorry
hi.
for that. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay, okay. Previously I created an application yesterday class. Prashant, you practiced in the org.
Yes, Venkat. Yeah.
Yeah, the next step we are creating an objects. Okay, according to my project requirements. Okay, hiring manager, position, candidate. These are the different types of objects I'm creating. Okay, the firstly I'm
Sure.
creating hiring manager object. Okay, how to create object? Okay, I think everyone able to see the screen. Everyone able to see the. Okay, to navigate to American recruitment application, go to app launcher and navigate to American recruitment application. Okay, go to this is the home. Everyone able to see. Go to object manager, click on create, click on custom object. Okay, I'm mentioning the hiring manager. Okay, it will be indicated with oval sounds. Every hiring manager has an ID. Okay, that's why I'm mentioning HR ID. Okay, and mentioning auto number. Because for example, if you go to company, there is one employee ID will be created or not for everyone. For everyone, employee ID is there or not? Please tell me.
Yes, yes.
For example, if HDFC Bank is also done using Salesforce, there we have so many employees. We need to give employee ID, okay, for each and every members, whatever it may be. So in the similar way, we are giving HR ID here. Okay, it has been indicated with like this HR minus okay 01. Okay, 01 means it has been started with like this. First employee started with 001, second employee started with 002, third employee started with 003. Later on, it will go with 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, each and every employee information. I'm making allow reports, allow activities. Yes, in this way, just we need to establish. I'm saying again, in this way, we need to establish. I'm clicking on save. Previously, I created this hiring manager object. That's why I'm creating hiring manager 12. Okay, or 14. You can mention as like a hiring manager. It's enough. I'm clicking on save. Okay, I created a custom object. What is my next? What is my next thing? I created a custom object. What is my next step? Hello.
I think we have to decide where we have to use that
Please,
object or
yes, yes, yes. We are using this particular object in American recruitment consultancy. Okay. So, like to visible this particular object to American recruitment consultancy, we need to create a tab for this object. After creating an object, we need to create a tab. Okay. So go to home, search for tab, search for tabs, click on new. I'm taking any of the color. Okay, here go to tab and click on tabs. Okay, click on next. Okay, I'm clicking on next. So where we need to include this tab? We need to include this tab in American Recruitment Consultancy. Okay, I'm enabling this information. I'm clicking on save. Everyone is seeing this? Because I'm
Yes,
placing
yes,
this in American
Venkat.
Recruitment Consultant. I'm clicking on save. Okay, now this particular hiring manager object is visible in American Recruitment Consultancy. Let me try to refresh my screen. See, like this. Click on new. Okay, I did not create any types of fields. Click on save. One hiring manager is created. See, HR minus 001. Everyone able to see? Like the count will be increased. The next time, the next hiring manager too. The count will be increased. That's it. Like this.
Venkat, what is the difference between tab, object, and record?
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. Coming to first of all tab. First of all, object, tab. Okay, what is an object? I'll tell you. It is a group of columns information. It is a group of columns. Okay, to store customer, whatever it may be, it is a group of columns of information to store the customer info, whatever it may be. Okay, based on the client requirements. Okay, there are two types of objects. I'll give the notes. Everyone, I'll give you the notes. No issues. Standard object and custom object. And coming to tab. After creating object, you need to create a tab. Why we need to create a tab? If you created a tab means that helps object to visible to the appropriate application, whatever it may be. Then only object can see that like appropriate object, whatever it may be. Appropriate application, visible to the appropriate application. Okay, if you did not created a tab means it is not possible to visible this particular object to the application. Okay. Records are the customer's information. Okay, it's a records are the information, whatever customer's information. Customer's information. Okay, whatever it means, like a columns. Okay, objects are nothing but a columns, but records are the customer's information, whatever it may be. Okay, for example, if you take opportunities, okay, these are nothing but a customer's information, whatever it may be. These are nothing but a customer's, and these are nothing but a records. Okay, everything I'll tell you. Please wait. Okay. You'll able to understand because we are going one by one. No? You understood? Someone asked the question. Romni,
Yes,
Maheshwari, Swati. Now we are able to understand your question. I mean that whatever you got answer.
yeah. Yes, Venkat.
Okay, I created hiring manager object. Okay, I created first of all I created an application. After creating an application, I created an object. Only one object I created. Other objects also I'll create, and also I'll give homework also for you. Okay, I created tab. What is my next thing? Okay, I need to create a fields. Okay, inside the object. Okay, so this particular information also client will give you in the functional design documents. You need to do it. Okay, like this client will give you the documents, functional design document. You need to do it based on the client requirements. This is the hiring manager custom object. Okay, let me go to the hiring manager. Go to object manager, search for hiring manager. So I created hiring manager 14. Go to fields and relationships. Okay, click on new. Click fields and relationship. Click on new. Everyone able to understand the navigation steps what I'm showing? Please watch the video if anyone are facing difficulties. Everyone able to understand? Hello?
Yeah, Venkat, as of now, we are clear.
Okay, I'm clicking on new because you're completely new now, that's it. Okay, so we are creating because every HR has a contact number. Okay, what is the data type for contact number? So it is a phone. You can select the phone data type. So you can select the phone data type. Where is phone data type? Where is phone? Yeah. Okay, for example, if you are creating a first name for the contact number or hiring manager name, you need to take text data type. For example, if you are selecting location is different types of values are selected. You have pick list. Okay, pick list like this. Like for example, you are selecting the date. Okay, whatever it may be, start date, end date, whatever it may be, you can select the date. Okay, it's a common math. For example, you are creating a checkboxes like this. Okay, you need to create a checkbox data type. Like this, you need to select based on the accordance. Presently, I'm selecting phone. I'm clicking on next. Okay, I'm taking the contact number. Okay, I'm making as like a required field. Without this, I can't able to save the database. Because without phone number, how we can contact the hiring manager? That's why it is a required field. Okay, I created one field. Okay, another field also I created. Every hiring manager name. This is a common thing. Hiring manager name. Let me create this hiring manager name. Click on new. I'm selecting the text. Okay, I'm selecting. So I think whenever if you open some HDFC bank, whenever you're filling the forms, so there should be some limited characters like 18 characters or 19 characters. More than that, we can't able to give your name. You observed it, everyone?
Yeah, field validations.
Fields. Okay. So in the length, if you specify 25, only 25 characters you can enter. More than that, you don't have chance. Okay. Client will tell you everything. This thing, what we need to keep that things information. Click on save. Okay, I created a hiring
Venkat,
manager
what
name.
if we have more than one validation for the field? Then how are we handling that?
Yes, we can
Like if it
create.
is
Whenever I'm discussing the validation rule topic, I'll discuss that things. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So here it is not a validation. Just I'm keeping some length. Okay, like more than 18 like that. Okay. Whenever I'm discussing the validation rules topic, I'll tell you about that concept also. Okay. Okay. What are the fields I created? I created a hiring manager name and also I created a contact number. Okay. Let me create different types of fields. Okay. Because every HR have a designation. Okay, so like because he need to work on Java, means he need to recruit the people who are belongs to the Java developers, Salesforce developers like this. It's a pick list. Okay, click on new. Okay, I'm selecting the values. Okay, you need to take all the values from here. Yeah, like this you need to select. Okay, see, I'm clicking on next. I'm making visible to all the profiles. Clicking on next. Clicking on save. Okay, I created a designation pick list. Okay, what are the next things? Email. because every hiring manager has an email. Click on new. Let me select email data type. Email. Okay. Let me click on next. Email. Click on save. Okay. Yes. Okay, I created all this information. That's it. Let me refresh my screen once. Okay, click on new. See, everyone able to see all the fields? Everyone able to see all the fields? Okay, for example, if you are filling hiring manager name as like a Maheshwari. Okay, I'm selecting the designation. Salesforce developer, email ID. Maheshwari@gmail.com. These are nothing but a records. Click on save. Okay, in this way it is easy to store all the information. Okay, everyone able to understand still know what we discussed about fields? It's not completed, it will be so many fields I'll create it. Okay, everyone able to understand? If anyone have any doubts means please ask me. Okay, every hiring.
Venkat, one question.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
for the contact number, you made the field as required, right? What if we will only have to display the contact number? I mean, we have to make it required based on some condition, like some certain conditions only. Based on those conditions
Yeah.
only, we'll
Like
be
for
display.
example, yeah, yes. Whatever you told, I got the point. Like it will be done based on the validation rules. Okay, there we have is new keyword.
Okay,
Yeah, like on that time I'll discuss. Okay, just normally how to create a field. Please concentrate on that. Okay.
okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
Whenever I'm discussing validation rules topic, I'll discuss that concept also. Okay, based on the condition. Okay, for example, if location is equal to Hyderabad, okay, then contact number is mandatory. Like that you're asking, like designation is equal to Java developer, then contact number is
Yeah,
mandatory
correct,
based on the field.
correct,
Yes,
correct.
yes. Yes, I'll discuss that also in validation rules. Okay. Every hiring manager has a location. These are the different types of locations. Okay, I'm clicking on next. Yes, that's it. I arranged all the fields. Okay. For example, okay, like for example, okay, just imagine for example, okay, we want to design the fields like this, like a side by side in a structured manner. Okay, hiring manager name you need to display at front. Okay, and contact number you need to display at down, like that. If you want to display all the fields in a structured manner, how you need to manage? How you need to manage all the fields? Okay, you need to create a page layouts. After creating a fields, you need to go to page layout and you need to arrange all the fields. Okay, you need to arrange all the fields in a structured manner. Okay, I created fields. Let me go to the page layout. Go to hiring manager 14 layout. See, okay, you can arrange all the fields. What are the fields which we created? You can arrange all the fields. You can click on save. See, everyone able to see this? Just I'm clicking on save. Okay, you need to refresh your screen. Sometimes the information will not be visible, whatever you changed. Sometimes, not every time. Yes, same. Now also not change. Let me duplicate this tab and let me go to the American recruitment application again. Now also not visible. Sometimes that's fine. That is sometimes it may take like this only. Yeah, let me log out and log in again. Yes, everyone able to see this information in a structured manner? For example, I'm storing the Romney records. Okay, you can display that particular Romney records, whatever it may be. Okay, for example, if you want to display, okay, so only hiring manager ID is displaying, other fields are not displaying. Okay, go to all. Here, select this icon, list view controller. Select fields to display. Okay, you can select a designation, email ID, hiring manager name, and location also. Click on save. All the information will be saved. Okay, show all the information will be shown. Okay, everyone able to understand still now whatever we discussed? Any doubts are there? Hello, is it audible to everyone?
Yeah, Venkat, from my end, I'm clear.
Yeah, okay. What about other people? So we have Maheshwari is clear, Swati,
Good one.
Prashant,
Yeah,
Yes,
me.
sir, it's
Harsh.
clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just I created an object. After creating an object, I created a tab. I need to create a page. Just I did not, just I created only hiring manager object. Okay, I created only hiring manager object. Let me create other fields also in hiring manager object. Okay, number of location. This is also one of the field, number field. Go to object manager, go to hiring manager. Click on new. It's a number field. Means a number of locations that particular candidate can deal. Okay, that particular hiring managers can deal. It's a number field. Click on next. Click on save. Okay, like this you can arrange all the fields. Let me try to refresh my screen. Yes, it has been came successful. Yeah. I created a hiring manager object. Okay. I created a hiring manager object. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let us try to create a position object. Okay, I'll give you all this file. Okay, all this file to you, everyone. I'll give you file. Okay, one by one, everything is there. Okay, so this is our educational application. So we need to create a candidate object, hiring manager object, position object. These are the different things we need to create. Okay, I created a hiring manager object. Let me try to create this position object. Now everyone will guide me. Same steps. Now everyone will guide me how to deal this information. Okay, I'll include different types of data types here. What is my first step? I need to create a position object. What is my first step? Anyone kindly please unmute your mic, please tell me.
We'll have to create a custom object.
Okay. Let me create a custom object. Okay, I
Venkat,
have it. Yes.
uh, why are you creating only custom objects? Can we have standard objects also? Like,
Stand,
or
standard, standard object, it's not possible to create. It is created by Salesforce. We can use it. Okay, we can use it. And we can, we can use it. That's it. Okay. It's not possible to create a standard object. Standard objects means by default it is previously existed in the Salesforce. Okay, we can add the fields based on the customer requirement. Okay,
okay.
based on the customer requirement. Hello, is it audible to everyone?
Yeah, Venkat.
Okay. Every position have a position ID because whenever if we register for anything, then we have position ID. It's a common thing. We have a position ID. Without position ID, it's not possible. Okay, so we have a position ID. Okay, let me try to create a position ID. Okay, it is nothing but auto number. Maximum 90 times we will take auto number only. Okay, because we have position ID, employee ID. These are the common things. Okay, I need to allow all this information. I need to click on save. Okay, I created position. What is my next step? Anyone? What is my next step after creating an object?
You need to create tabs.
Yes. We need to create a tab. I need to include this tab on American Recruitment Consultancy. Okay. I'm clicking on save. Let me try to refresh my screen. Yes. What is my next step?
Creating fields.
Yes. I need to create a fields. Okay, so we have a position name. It is a text field. Let me create all the fields. What is the length of this field? Okay, they did not mention. Let me mention as like a 15. 15 characters they have a chance to enter. Click on save. Okay, what is our next field name? Job description. It's a text area long. Click on new. Because every position have a job description. You will agree with my point. That's why I mentioned job description. Why I mentioned job description as a text area long means. So coming to the job description, it will show different types of lines, like a length, like a 20 lines or a 30 lines or whatever it may be. You observed or not, everyone? Hello. Okay, I'm making job description. Yes. Let me click on next. I'm making this visible to all the profiles. Click on next. Click on save. Let me take other fields also. Okay. Like responsibilities. This is a text area long. Same. Let me click on. Everyone able to understand what I'm doing?
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. Please try to
Venkat,
understand
is
if you
it
need.
required to give the field length for every field that we are creating, or can we leave that as blank?
I did not got. Can you please repeat it?
Is it required to give the length of field every time we are creating a field,
Every
or
time, every time. Yes, every time whenever you are giving, you need to give. Yes, of course you need to give because
okay?
it's a mandatory field. Without length, how you can then customer can enter infinite values without length. You got the point? Then it will database will create a misconsistency of data. It will not create a structured data. Okay.
Okay.
Let me create another field also, which is nothing but educational requirements. Okay, what are the educational requirements? It is a text area long. What is my next field? Because every position has a minimum pay, like a 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, like that. And also every position have a maximum pay, like 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, like that. Okay, it's a currency field. Okay, currency field. Okay, because it is nothing but a rupees currency. Means you can enter 18 digits. Okay, and also you have other field also, maximum pay. It is also a currency field. Click on new. Okay, same steps I'm doing again and again. Okay, it's very easy Salesforce. But you need to know how you need to do each and every process. That is the main agenda. Okay, and position. Okay, for which position you are applying. Okay, so for your position, is travel is required or not? It's a checkbox. Okay, you know Java or not? It is a checkbox field. For example, if you know Java, you can enable this checkbox. Okay, if you don't know the Java means you cannot do any actions on this checkbox. Okay, they given some information. JavaScript, Apex, you know all this information. You need to create all these checkboxes. Okay, travel required. Yes, you need to require travel or not. Like that, everything you need to fill up. So checkbox field. Firstly, it is unchecked. Okay, whenever you check means then only it will be checked. Let me click on next. Let me click on save.
We choose checkbox, it means it's a mandatory field.
No, it's not mandatory field. I did not mention always required. If you need a mandatory field means you need to make as like always required. Let me show you. Okay.
What is the
Again,
use of the box? Or the field is a checkbox type. That's it?
that's it. That's it. Just only you can create. Just you can enable.
Oh,
If you are
understood.
okay means if you know means you can enable. That's it. I'll show you. Yeah. These are the different types of data types which are presented. Okay, let me take Java. That's it. Click on next.
Venkat, can we create multiple fields at
Yes,
the
I'll
same
create.
time?
We'll create. Multiple list values, you're saying?
No, multiple fields. You're creating one by one, right?
No. We need to create only one field at a time. Yeah. One by
Okay.
one we need to create. One by one you need to create. Okay. If you need to create, okay. Every time we are coming to this screen, or without coming to this screen also you can create. Okay, let me click on new. Okay, so click on checkbox. Okay, click on next. I'm selecting Apex. Click on next. Click on visible. You click on save on new, everyone see. Save the record and coming to the new page again. See, it will come to the fields and relation. Without going to that page, it will come here. If you click the save on new, okay. And we have hire by. It's a date field. Hire by it's a date field. Okay, means when you need to hire. Okay, it's a date. Everything I'll show you. Please wait. Please wait. Please be patient. Everything I'll show you. Let me click on next. I think I created so many fields. Let me go to the page layout. Let me arrange all the fields. Okay, just normal. I'm clicking on save. I'm not doing anything. I'm refreshing my screen. I'm clicking on new. Yes, everyone able to see these fields? Checkbox, travel required like this. If you enable means it will be enabled. Hire by. It's a date field like this. The same thing if you want to implement in Java, definitely it will take so much time. Yes. Because I given some of the length, I think 12 or 18. It is not able to fill up the date. I'm giving Salesforce dev. It's enough. Job description, Salesforce admin, developer, LWC integration. Responsibilities. Need to develop based on the client requirements. IT or non-IT people. Minimum pay. Okay. I'm mentioning 7 lakhs. Maximum pay 50 lakhs. Okay. For this travel required S. Okay. Need Java. Okay. Need Apex. Okay. Click on save. All this information will be saved like this. Yes. Everyone able to understand this? Hello. Once please unmute your mic, everyone. Swati, everyone.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay. I created some information, or let me create. For every position, there should be some closer date. Okay, there should be some location. Okay, there should be some status. Okay, whether this particular position is a new position or a previous position like that. Okay, let me create all this information. Okay, let me create a closer date for the position. Every position, so HRs have some intimation, so they need to close on specified date. And also I'm creating a pick list for location. For example, if user did not select any of the location, okay, use first value as a default value. Use display value, use first value as a default value. Click on next. Click on visible. Click on next. Click on save. Or let me click on save and name. Okay. I think let me try to create different types of information in our next class, whatever it may be. Okay, so I'll arrange all the fields. Okay, let me go to the page layout. What are the fields till now we created? Let me try to arrange all the fields. Go to page layout, go to position to 14 layout. Okay, so here all the fields are in one layout only. I need to place these particular fields in different types of layouts. Okay, like different types of sections. Okay, let me try to drag this. Everyone able to see this section? I'm dragging this. Everyone able to see? Okay, I'm dragging this. Okay, extra information for positions. Okay, like top to down. I'm making. Okay, extra information in terms. Okay, so Java. This information let me place here. Like this, you can place all the information. You can click on save. Let me try to refresh my screen. Let me see whether it is reflected or it is not reflected. No, it's not reflected. Sometimes it may take like this only. That's only after arranging all the fields, you need to log out and log in. After arranging all the fields, each and everything. Okay, because for your reference, I'm showing you. Yes. Everyone able to see this information in a structured manner. Previously, it's not in a structured manner. Now it is in a structured manner, each and every information. Okay, you can say position name Java, job description, or a Salesforce admin. Like this. You're able to save all the information. Okay.